All right, so at the moment there are currently two coupon codes for BookBeam. So the first coupon code is for the yearly plans. You can get 10% off any of the yearly plans. So instead of paying this amount, you get 10% off. The second coupon code is for to get 50% off your first month in the monthly plan, in any of the monthly plan you choose. So for the yearly plan, the coupon code is for larger me 10. I will pop it up on the screen right now. So to use the coupon code, click on the link in the description to get to this pricing page. Then once you get to this page, you can paste the link. Then if you click on apply, you see that the price will automatically reduce. So for the monthly plan, that's 10% off the yearly plan, and now you'll be paying this amount. So for the monthly plan, the coupon code is, instead of 10, is this for larger me 50. So you get 50% off the your first month, you get. So that's it. Thank you.